In this video, I'm going to be discussing about how to connect TradingView to TradeLocker. So let's just begin. Now, if you're looking to simply boost up your trading game with TradeLocker, we have a good news for you because TradingView is already integrated with TradeLocker. As you can see over here, you can see the service is seamlessly already integrated inside TradingView, and this integration allows you to benefit from TradingView powerful features. So yeah, you can see TradeLocker is already integrated with TradingView. If you want to connect both of these, you are going to be needing to use the TradeLocker platform, and you have the all functionality of your TradingView inside that. So I hope this helps and answer the question. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will be getting $15 as a sign up bonus. So make sure to check out on that as well. If you still have any other questions, you can feel free to ask them as well. So thank you so much. See you around in the next video.